Hey, welcome back to the Nets, your one-stop channel for unbiased views, games, analysis, scores, and predictions. So with me today again is Rohan. Hello, Rohan. Welcome back. It's been a while. And before
Hi,
we go
Kevin.
anywhere, I remember I realized I made a error last time when I said that there was no real talent that was found in the RCB lineup, and I have to redact that. There is no lineup, no Indian talent that has been found in the RCB middle order. We did find Padikkal, so
Yes.
I do apologize for that. But uh, let's just jump straight onto the hot topic: RCB's exit, Virat
Whoa.
Kohli's promise, and where do how did you see it? I know you had predicted a long time ago that Virat Kohli
Oh,
won't win,
yes.
but
Yeah, I know. It's just that, come the big games, teams which are more experienced will win, and Mumbai showed how to win, right?
they did show. But it's not just with experience, because if you look at the middle order that Virat played with yesterday,
Of
he had
course.
AB de Villiers, he
Yeah,
had himself, which is probably, you have probably got the two best T20 players, Virat
yeah,
Kohli, AB de Villiers. You also
right.
included Moeen Ali, who
Yeah,
is, let's face it, he's a talent. When it comes to limited version of the game or limited balls
true.
cricket, he's a talent. So where
Yeah.
does it falter?
I think, they won, of course. In the middle, they won because they had a kind of a combination going, and AB was, hitting it out of the park all the time. But just ABD can't win you a tournament. I mean, he hasn't before, and he won't win you the tournament. And again, it comes back. Although I feel that the bowling has improved a lot, Chehel is doing extremely well, and even others have done well. But the combination backing the wrong horses, you won't be winning. I mean, Siraj hasn't got consistency. Everybody knows that. One-off spells won't do it. So, I mean, I think that's the problem. I mean, and Finch didn't fire for them, so that went wrong, amongst other things.
And do you think, to a certain extent, fiddling with the batting order, like Finch was doing good? He
Yeah,
was, I
yeah,
know Finch wasn't doing his Finch stuff that he does for Australia. He doesn't
yeah,
fire all cylinders. But even that, he was doing 40 odds and 30, 25, 30
yeah,
balls, which was
yeah,
acceptable than what we eventually got with,
yeah,
the top order and the middle order. And it was always a side that had banked on the batting, but
right.
this time they also had the bowling to back it up. So you had Chahal, who was, like you said, bowling beautifully. You had
Right.
Saini, who had stepped up.
Yes.
Siraj was, I don't know how he managed to get a call to Team India, beyond me, but that is what happens when
We'll
you're in the
discuss
team
that. We'll
captain.
discuss that.
So,
In fact, they can't complain because the batting has let them down this time.
yes,
Before this, it was the fielding, but this time Sundar has done well. He has done extraordinarily well, and Chahal has done well. Saini has done well. So the bowling group has done whatever they could. They have done everything, but the batting has faltered. I mean, even Kohli has uh, not delivered the goods this time. So I mean, you can't expect much more from the others. Dubey uh, is and will be harakiri for any team he plays in because they consider him as an all-rounder. But I don't think so. He's an all-rounder. He's just a poor version of Vijay Shankar. That's about it.
absolutely agree. Dubey is, he is not fit for any team, not even T20, no one day, no test
Don't
match.
think so.
Yeah,
He's
and
sorted, man. He's sorted. I mean, all the fast bowlers have sorted him. You can just, deliver one, beside his head, and, he'll be scared. So, and the other thing was that Morris was the one who was providing them balance, just like what SRH are experiencing with Holder. So, Morris was the one who was providing that, and he didn't play. He got injured. So, I mean, that was a big thing for them because they don't have the bench strength and the team management to like SRH, to support all their talent.
But see, now we always talk about this. There are two teams in the IPL where the captains pretty much drive the entire selection as well. Dhoni,
Yep.
and
Yeah.
Virat Kohli.
Yeah.
Virat Kohli as a captain gets, his captaincy gets tons of slack because of his the way RCB performs, and it pretty much opens up that when it comes to on-field aggression, he everything looks good. But when his team is losing, that aggression looks as
Yeah.
arrogance, and he looks makes a bigger fool of himself on field.
I don't think so. After Dhoni doing so well with his style, I mean, of course, everybody has got their style, but I think the better captains any day, barring a few, I mean, like the Pontings and those Australian captains always had great teams, right? They didn't have to work hard for anything because they have had the reserves also. But with just looking at the subcontinent, the captains who are sorted in their head have done better. You can look at anybody. I mean, you look at the Mahela Jayawardenes, Rana Tunga. He was aggressive, but he was not over aggressive. He was
True.
in his zone. So even with Pakistan, I mean, Wasim was never a sort of over aggressive captain. He was aggressive in his bowling, but not in his captaincy. So I don't think so. This style will work for him beyond Test matches. I don't think so.
I do agree with you. I feel that, and there were like quite a few gaffes. Like yesterday, I wouldn't really complain on Dhoni's captaincy as such, but considering the entire round robin phase of 14 games that he had, I think that he could have done better. He could have stepped up. He did not bank on the Indian youngsters at all. It was always Dubey, and it was always Washington Sundar, and
Yeah.
Padikkal proved himself. So no offense to Padikkal, but then in the middle order, Miller was his place was up and down a lot. For some reason, you would always promote uh, Dubey over once he promoted Dubey over AB de Villiers. That's probably the
That
dumbest
was
decision I've
crazy.
ever seen
That was
in
crazy.
any format of the game. That makes no sense. And
Yeah.
coming back to Siraj, I don't think
Dude,
Siraj
he's
has earned.
dude, he's not a good captain. Let's call spades as spades. And he's not a good captain. He's not street smart. It's fine. I mean, no, everybody doesn't have to be have all the qualities. I mean, it's pretty simple. I mean, if 8 seasons can't show you that, I mean, Gautam Gambhir clearly mentioned it, and no other commentator mentioned it. He mentioned, although I think Gautam Gambhir is a crazy guy in himself, but he has won 2 championships, so we have to take him seriously, right?
Yes,
So he changed fortunes at KKR, and if there has to be accountability. 8 years. Imagine any other person, or in even in corporate, you'll get fired, man,
you
after
will get
3 to 4 years. Yeah.
And I said this in yesterday's video as well. I don't know if you noticed, but when Mumbai Indians beat RCB,
Yeah.
no, when Mumbai Indians beat DC Capitals,
Yeah.
Rahul Chahar had a horrible game. All the other
Yes.
bowlers, so
Yeah.
pretty much Bolt and Bumrah had set the stage, and
True.
then Stoinis went hard on Rahul Chahar.
Yeah.
But if you notice, when they were walking off the field,
Yeah.
Rohit called Rahul Chahar and asked
Yeah.
him to lead. It's just that
Right.
captain backing you no matter what, that you are
True.
the youngster
True.
and showing you
True.
promise. I
True.
have not seen Kohli do that. And the other thing that I feel is
I won't agree. I won't agree with that. I think it's the other way around. It's the other way around. And why I say that, I think he has too much respect for his players. It's the other way around, especially the foreign players. He is he's a legend in himself, and while conducting, I mean, we are nobody to question his abilities, but as a captain, I think there needs to be an aura which he lacks. He's too friendly with his players. I feel it's the other way around. He's too friendly. He can't say that you have done badly. So that's the problem. And even with ABD, he has been, there for so many years, but has he won you anything?
no,
I don't remember anything. So, there has to be accountability. I mean, Gautam Gambhir was thrown out literally from KKR, man. He had won 2 championships. Imagine. So, and he stepped down from DC last year.
yes. And
You
that I
have
was
to step
extremely
down.
happy for. Like, that
Yeah.
shows that he actually is playing for the badge. He
Who does
realized he
that?
was exactly.
Yeah,
He was playing for the badge. He realized he wasn't doing good, so he stepped away himself. That is definitely commendable.
I think Kohli should come back to Delhi. Period. He should come back to Delhi, stay in his hometown, and I am sure that he'll win. Just don't be the captain. That's it.
So let's now that we have beaten that to the bush,
Yeah.
a quick talk of SRH.
Yeah.
Sunrisers Hyderabad finding form at the right time. The last four games have been must win, and
Yeah.
Warner stepped up.
Yeah.
Jason Holder suddenly starts playing like
Yes.
his inclusion. He hasn't really done anything with the bat significant as yet, but we know he can deliver. But his bowling and his presence that has changed the mentality a lot.
I don't know, man. Do they make them like this in West Indies? Because he is not the West Indian, kind
He's
of
not
guy.
Western. Hmm.
So he has got everything. I mean, what do you want from a guy? He comes in and just drops in, quarantines for a bit, and then plays like a dream. And his bowling, that extra bounce is killer, man. He's just brilliant. And those small knocks have made all the difference.
Absolutely. And yesterday, and that is probably the difference between Virat Kohli, the captain, and David Warner, the captain, right?
Yeah,
You have David Warner, who, when they realized that they had said Priyam Garg couldn't sustain the pressure, tried to hit the ball out.
right.
He sent Jason Holder. There was also a possibility that Samad could have been in, but the same thing would have happened.
Yeah,
And he comes in, so you have two test playing captains out there,
yeah,
Williamson and Holder,
yeah, yeah.
and they deliver. It was just like,
It's a,
okay, when you need a
yeah.
boundary, Williamson was able to hit it.
It's about the team management, man.
Absolutely.
Trevor Bellis has won a lot. I mean, he was with England when they won the World Cup, with KKR for a couple of seasons when they won again, and he is just a sorted guy. And there are people like that in the team also, like Murli Dharan and VVS Lakshman. All of them are like that, sorted in the head. Nobody is going, bang bang on the players. I So that is one of the reasons, and SRH has always been like this. I mean, they, support the youngsters, and even with Priyam Garg not doing well, they are, keeping him in the team. He's gaining experience, and comes finals time or the next match, you never know.
You never
These
know.
players
Exactly.
might just, perform. And again, I mean, SRH is back to what they were when they reached the finals. They are a killer fielding and bowling team, and with batting, they are dependent on the top order. That's about it.
So again, SRH, the people who have been unsung heroes for SRH, Natarajan and Sandeep Sharma.
Ooh, goodness, man. Where did I read? I think on Twitter or somewhere. I think Harsha Bhogle commented that just name him Yorker Natarajan. And that's so true. The way he got, what was the wicket,
ABD.
man? ABD, man. ABD he got with a perfect Yorker. And that guy, who is that guy? I mean, he should be
My
right
bigger
away in
surprise
the team.
is my bigger surprise is how does Siraj land in the team to India and Natarajan doesn't. For me,
Oh, that's no surprise, man. That's
Natarajan
no surprise. He plays for
is
RCB.
yeah, and Sandeep Sharma and Natarajan both their records are on par with Bumrah.
Yeah.
So
Imagine Sandeep Sharma in RCB. What would happen to him?
he would have probably been in the
On
team.
the bench, man. On the
It
bench.
doesn't it doesn't help the cause that Sandeep Sharma has taken Virat Kohli 7 times. So maybe that is also one of the reasons
Yes.
why he's not in the team.
Yes.
You never know.
Yes. And the sledging, I mean, whenever, whatever little I have played, whenever I get on the field, I love what Kohli does, but I don't think so that's working anymore with, the international game scenario. I don't think so that's working anymore. And Williamson, people like Williamson have proved that.
Williamson is a different class altogether.
But
What
Morgan,
oil
man,
he
look at Morgan also. Look at Morgan. He's so sorted. He won the World
absolutely.
Cup, right?
So you mentioned sledging and Virat Kohli. What was
Yeah.
annoying was Virat Kohli coming and sledging Surya Kumar Yadav. Now here you are a team
Goodness.
international captain trying to sledge a youngster who is knocking on the door and who probably is good enough to walk into the team at this point of time.
Is he a
And
youngster anymore?
not really, 28. 28, not a
Yes.
youngster. Not a youngster, but still he's in his prime. And the way he's playing, I think he is probably at the peak of his career. Surya
I don't
Kumar.
know what is going to happen to him, but I think so. He was trying to rattle him, but you know what happened. Rest is history, and it was so classy that knock, man.
Absolutely classic. That was probably his best knock. And the gesture
Yeah.
after that,
Oh,
I'm here.
that was. I mean, anybody else would have reacted like Marlon Samuels or something, but he did not.
He did
So
not.
that's a good thing.
So let's talk about the next section, which is the team that's flying to Australia. Do you think
Oh
it's fair?
yes. Uh, I think so. Let's go to the team. I have it opened here. So let me run through, very quick run through. I think the top order, I don't agree with Prithvi Shaw coming in. He has not done enough. To be honest, a lot of players who have done well are suffering because of this mercurial character. Uh, I think Shubman Gill deserves a chance, maybe, but again, I would just keep him but not play him because there are people who are way ahead of him, like Hanuma Vihari. He should not lose his spot because of these youngsters because they are enigmatic and mercurial. I don't want like in my 11, they won't be there. The bowling attack, I mean, it's pretty straightforward. Riddhiman Saha again will play ahead of Rishabh Pant. Again, a bad season for him. It's pretty obvious. I think the worst performance this season was by Rishabh Pant. Nobody else. Um, and with the bowling attack, I think you are talking about Siraj. So I don't think so. Siraj deserves a place at all. I don't know why he's going. He won't be played. Everything else looks pretty sorted for me on the test team front. So those were my problems with the squad. Yeah,
So with the test team, with let's say with the team that is flying to Australia,
yeah,
my biggest concern is this team has we have not had any game time in the last 1 year.
true.
So we are saying that we are basing these teams on the performance that they had done 1 year back, right?
Right,
Since we already say that IPL T20 is not the criteria for selection.
right.
So with that being said, I do not understand how you justify a Rishabh Pant in that squad based on 1 year performance 1 year back when he was a
Right,
failure in New Zealand.
right.
Same happened with Prithvi Shaw when he was a failure in New Zealand.
Yep, yep,
No cricket played after for a while. And then
right.
you have somebody like Surya Kumar Yadav. You have
Yeah,
somebody like Padikkal who has been, but early days for
true.
Padikkal. I wouldn't say that. But you have four players that I actually was talking about the other day in the video that there is Shreyas Iyer, then there is Mayank Agarwal, Manish Pandey,
Yep, right.
and then there is Surya Kumar Yadav and Rishabh Pant. Of these
And they
five,
didn't even they didn't even give Shreyas a chance, man. That's sad because I mean, how can you pick? Did they don't have him in the test team, and that's surprising. I completely forgot. And Prithvi Shaw instead of Shreyas Iyer, I mean, it's ridiculous.
it is ridiculous. I think that people all over India would
And
unanimously agree that Prithvi Shaw, with all the talent that he has not really performed, has not delivered.
not even close. And he has an injury problem also. Let me tell you, he has a major injury problem. And I mean, Shubman, I don't think so. These guys will be played, so why take them, man? It's uh, Rahul has made it back to the team. That's again a sort of a 50-50 sort of thing for me because he has never performed in test matches. So I don't know how can you pick a test team based on white ball cricket. I don't really understand that.
But Rahul, I think based on the technique that he has, and I think that he justified his spot by playing Test cricket and T20 many a time. So, that was a performing seven.
Oh my gosh, that was a killer one. I don't think so. He deserves a spot in the test team though, ahead of Shreyas Iyer. Shreyas Iyer has done much more in the ODI format, and of late, especially. And I don't think so. This is a team. I don't agree with KL Rahul's selection, to be honest. I don't like that at all because he's going to go up front and he's going to nick it to the slips. Trust me, he's going to do that.
So now the biggest one that we have is Rohit Sharma dropped, or Rohit Sharma
Yeah,
rested, or Rohit Sharma injured. But he's
there is
playing for
something
Mumbai.
wrong there. There is
And
something wrong there.
then Saurav Ganguly and BCCI comes out and says if Rohit is fit, he is playing in Australia. But Rahul Sharma will be the vice captain. I mean, KL Rahul will be the
KL
vice
Rahul.
captain. How
It's
does that
crazy.
fit in? Does it mean that Rohit Sharma's vice captaincy has been stripped? And if Virat is injured or rested for whatever reasons, is KL leading or is Rohit leading? How do you?
So I think there is something fishy going on, and it is between the physios of MI and the Indian team, and they what happens is that everybody wants to play, of course, but I'm sure that they didn't find Rohit to be in peak, form perhaps or peak fitness. And this has happened to Rohit multiple times. This is not the first time it's happening. But once they know that he can perform even at 75%, just take him, man. Don't do this to him,
My thing
because
is,
he.
if Rohit is not performing, neither is Virat Kohli.
Oh yes,
So,
yes.
what is the selection criteria? And for me,
They.
Rohit has a much saner head than Virat Kohli, hands down. I will
I
sit on
know.
this and argue the whole day if
I
someone
know.
wants me to.
You know
But
what happens is that sometimes, I mean, Shane Warne was never captain of Australia, right?
but
He was the
well,
best
because
head.
he
Oh, he
was
was a naughty
on
boy.
yeah, he
He
was
was a
having
naughty boy.
extracurricular activities happening on the side, so that was
Yes, so maybe the kind of, we don't know what's happening on the inside. Sometimes what happens is that there is a duo that's working. Like Shastri and Kohli are like, husband and wife kind of thing. So once that is working, so they won't let anybody else break that thing, right? Because, if, well, you know why Kumble went away, right?
yes.
It was a compatibility issue. I
But
mean, so
here is my concern. We say it's working, but do we have the trophies to justify it? The
they
one
won't be
that matters
there.
the most.
The trophies won't come, I'm pretty sure, and that would be and again, when we lose, like yesterday when RCB lost, again they had the same sentences that their PR team and media team have told them to say, that we had a bad game, we had this, we had that, and none. You won't have trophies coming from that, from Kohli's captaincy. Trust me, even after 2 years you'll be arguing on this, and the management will be same, because it's just corporate structure, man. It's just that.
But it's
Nothing
not
more.
just one bad game. Virat Kohli lost the last five. We can
He has
focus on one
lost
bad
eight
game.
seasons. How many seasons has been he captain? He has captain for how many seasons? Eight
True.
seasons, I believe.
True.
So, and World Cups also, include World Cups also. So and they were not even close, to be honest. If you
No,
say that they have lost in the finals, when have they lost in the finals? Rare. That would
no,
be rare. They have lost
absolutely.
in semi-finals. So I don't think so that's working. And when you're defensive, and even Shastri has got the same thing going, right? He comes always has a beer and comes into the media meetings, and he says the same things all over again. There's nothing new, and he's so aggressive. He thinks that nobody will answer back or something like that. So it's I don't think so that format will work for them. And once they lose more trophies, they will win in Australia. Trust me, they will win because they are bilaterals. Once they win, once they arrive at the World Cups, they lose again, and the same story will follow. And Ganguly hasn't changed anything. Trust me, he hasn't changed anything. I had lots of hopes that he will change how things work, but he has changed nothing. He has become more of a politician now. I am a huge fan of his, by the
Sounds good. So now the last section that I have is the predictions. Delhi Capitals SRH.
way. We forgot the ODI and T20 teams.
Uh, Sure. Let's touch the ODI and T20 teams. What do you
Let's
have?
touch quickly. Let's touch quickly. I think so. Most of the slots are pretty good. I'm happy that Mayank Agarwal has made it to the
Yes.
squads, all the squads. Shikhar Dhawan is back uh, in the ODI team. Shubman Gill is there. The regulars are there, of course. The only new thing, nothing in particular though. So ODI team, it's pretty sorted. I don't think so because Bhuvi is injured. So that was a blow. I mean, he could have contributed in Australia,
I
but
think Deepak Chahar might get an extended run in ODIs,
okay,
considering he's in the same
right.
line of Bhuvi,
Yes,
Channel
yes.
bowler.
With the T20 squad, Varun Chakravarti has made it, which is
Yes.
exciting.
And
Which is exciting.
I think
Yeah.
Varun Chakravarti might stay a little bit longer in the test matches. He may not get a game, but he will stay with the team, is
Yes.
what I feel.
Yes. Yes. Uh, and Sanju Samson is there in the T20 team, which is again well deserved this time. But I feel for Ishan Kishan because he should have made it ahead of
I
Sanju
definitely feel
Samson.
for him in the test arena where Rishabh Pant has failed
Yeah,
miserably,
totally.
and Ishan Kishan is probably a lot more deserving candidate based on just the current form.
What is happening between MI and RCB? Something wrong? Your players are not being picked. Have
Well,
you done something? Have you done something to the RCB management or something?
it's the Rohit
Bec-
versus Kohli thing again, I feel, and
I'll tell you. Just an observation. Most of the RCB players are in one of the squads at least.
that will happen. It's just the captain confidence
Siraj,
factor.
Siraj, Navdeep Saini, Umesh Yadav, Washington Sundar. Name more. Virat Kohli
Virat
is
Kohli,
there, of course. Of course, he's there. Uh, I'm forgetting somebody.
Chahal,
Chahal is there. So
yes,
half the RCB team is playing for India, but they can't win anything. You
that
know?
does tell you quite a bit that it's the other players who are probably dragging these guys along. You never
Yes.
know.
I'm talking about that. Uh, there is influence when Dhoni was captain. He used to bring in Chennai players, but not too much. Not too much. Never. There was not an over. If Raidu was playing for RCB, do you think he would make it to the team? He would make it to the team.
Yes.
Trust me. This is not fair, man. This is not fair. And this is happening. It's pretty obvious. So I don't know if it's deliberate or not, but this is not fair enough. And Kuldeep Yadav has been dropped so many times, and Chahal gets so many opportunities. His confidence is gone now. Kuldeep Yadav, he's a screwed player now, man. He's screwed in the head.
He was doing really well when Dhoni was behind the stumps, and Dhoni would
That's
actually
yeah.
get the best out of him. But oh well, let's keep our fingers crossed. Hopefully, there's tons of
Yeah.
talent there with Kuldeep.
What about tomorrow's game? Who's winning?
SRSDC, I have a feeling DC might step up tomorrow. I just have a feeling
I
it will be DC.
I don't think so.
I
I'm a
think they have
DC. I'm a
had
DC fan. I'm a DC fan, but I think SRH is yeah.
absolute. It will be so this time around in IPL. There have been two teams: Mumbai Indians and the rest. They all have looked.
Were there any other teams?
No, exactly. There is two different teams. Mumbai Indians on a different level, and then the other seven at the same. You never know
It's
what
like
the.
you guys, when De Kock hit that first four, that straight drive against Daniel Sams in the last match, I knew that they are winning this match.
It,
What positive intent, man. I
and
seriously, I hate Mumbai Indians. Okay, I hate Mumbai Indians. I'll tell you. But, the confidence, oh my God,
And my
goodness.
my biggest thing with that was the front punch. They lost Rohit, but the next one that comes in, they didn't let the ball drop. They kept going after the bowling, kept being
Goodness.
aggressive, and each player.
Pandya was on a mission, man.
Plus, the biggest thing was with Ishan Kishan, there was a lean period of 6 overs where they just scored
Right.
37 runs. He
Yeah.
did not panic. He knew what he has in store. He knew he can take the attack back to the bowlers again. So he saw off Ashwin. He saw off all the other bowlers that were bowling.
Yes.
and then he went out again. That just
It's
tells me that,
mind-boggling.
there's another big
It's
player from
I
Ranchi coming in.
Yes, I hate you guys. Seriously, mind-boggling. I hate you guys seriously because all the players have got this. Have you given them like life insurance or something or FDs? What's happening?
Which brings me to an amazing thing. Why is Mahela Jayawardene not considered as a coach for any national team? But
He's subdued, man.
and true, he doesn't seem to come out as an aggressive figure in the team, and the likes of Kohli and May walk over him.
Of course,
So yeah. Oh well,
he's not.
Rohan,
He doesn't talk like Shastri, man.
absolutely.
He doesn't like beer, actually.
All right. With that being said, let's just wrap up for today. We will meet
Yeah,
again tomorrow if possible after the SRH game. Let's see if we
why
can
not? Is there a
have a quick.
break? We can meet on 9th, maybe.
Sounds good. Sounds
Yeah,
good. We
yeah.
can do that pre-game
Before the match. Yeah,
before
before
the
the
match.
match.
All right. Well, that's all that we have, guys. Please do hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. You like us, please do let us know. Don't like us, let us know. We will improve the content. And thank you again. Stay healthy, stay safe. We will talk shortly. Thank you.